while others prepare their Christmas tables. We prepare for those who be in our care. Here at Perpetual Help Medical Center Las Piñas, the light of Christmas isn't just seen, it's felt. It is in the assurance we give, in every gentle touch of care, and in every small act of kindness. This is where the spirit of Christmas truly lives on. For Perpetual Help Medical Center Las Piñas, the greatest gift is being here, always present, always healing, and always here to share Christmas with our patients.
This Christmas season, we are reminded once again of the power of hope, compassion, and unity, values that shine brightly here at our Perpetual Light community. At Perpetual Health Medical Center Las Piñas, the light of Christmas isn't just seen, it is felt. It glows in the kindness of our people, the dedication of our teams, and the comfort we extend to every patient who walks through our doors. This season, may we take a moment to appreciate all the blessings around us, our loved ones, our colleagues, and the meaningful work entrusted to us. May the warmth of Christmas inspire us to continue serving with compassion, excellence, and humility. To each member of our Perpetual Light family, I wish you and your loved ones a joyful, peaceful, and grace-filled Christmas. May the coming year bring good health, hope, and abundant blessings. Merry Christmas and a healthy New Year.